Subaru has revealed its first all-electric compact crossover, the 2026 Subaru Uncharted. Designed for younger, active drivers, the Uncharted delivers up to 338 horsepower, 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 5 seconds, and an estimated range of up to 290 miles, with standard symmetrical all-wheel drive, aimed at combining sporty performance with real-world utility. This sleek EV offers fast charging, advanced tech, and rugged capability in a bold new package. It will arrive at Subaru retailers nationwide in early 2026.